What's up guys, Omar's here, and today we're going to be opening this little thing over here, which is the Amazon Echo Dot. Now before we begin this video, I just want you guys to know, like and subscribe, put down in the comments below if you have any questions or inquiries. Now let's check out, but before we open this, let's check out the box. So here is the Amazon Echo Dot, which is known as Alexa. Add Alexa to any room. Here you can tell her to play top songs, call any people from contacts, or you can tell her what's the weather. It also contains far-field voice control. Over here there are 4 specs: Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and auto line out. Here you can add Alexa to any room. Echo Dot connects to Alexa, provides full sound from a compact design that fits anywhere in your home. Designed around your voice. Just ask Alexa to play music, read the news, check weather forecasts, set alarms and timers, control smart home devices, call other Echo devices, and more. Voice control music throughout your home. Ask Alexa for a song, artist, or genre from Amazon Music, Spotify, TuneIn, and more. Control your smart home hands-free. Use your voice to control compatible smart home devices. Just ask Alexa to turn on lights, adjust your masks, plugs, and more. Here you can personalize Alexa with thousands of skills, including Amazon Music, Spotify, BBC, TuneIn, Hue, Personal Wireless Lightning, TP-Link, Hive, and more. It can also be having Arabian electric apps like Arabian music like Anghami, or like anything that from Saudi Arabia and any other countries, especially from the GCC. But this thing is basically important from the USA, I think. Over here's the Amazon logo, and here's the QR code. So for now, let's open the box. Here you can open it. Now let's open. Okay. Okay, guys. Here is the official model of the Echo Dot. There's the Amazon logo down here and all of the few specs. Here are the 4 buttons. And inside, this is a quick start guide. And here is the safety, I think. It might be the safety. And here are the things to try. I'm gonna be including this in the video. And over here is another specs. Here is the plug, which is the power cable. Here's the Amazon logo on the plug. There's 15 watts. Here in Saudi Arabia, they only put plugs which are 15 watts. And that's all. So for now, let's open the plug first. Can I open it? There we go. Okay, hold on. Okay. Here's the... Oh, wait. Wait, is this removable? Yes, it is, I think. There it is. The Amazon logo. And there's the power cable. This is the... Oops, my bad. I think I put it in the wrong way. Alright, guys. Let me just... adjust this thing over here. Whoa. Boom. Unadjust it. Now let's open up the Echo Dot. Open it from here. Hold on. There we go. Here's the Echo Dot. Here is the volume up button. There's the volume down button. This is the mute button. And this is the action button. I don't know what to do with it, but let's find out in the setup mode. And alright guys, we're about to set it up right now, so continue watching it until the end. Watch the video until the end and find out what it's gonna happen. So when you guys get it, you guys can follow the steps. Alright, you guys, I'm about to set up my Echo Dot. So here's the power cable, and I think I'm gonna plug it over here. But if I want to change, then I will not let you guys know because this is private property. Okay, now let me go bring my Echo Dot. Here's the Echo Dot. Here's where you can plug. Here's the AUX cable, I don't know. Okay, maybe I'll put it here. Over here. Behind my PlayStation light. Okay. Now let me put this power cable right over here. Alright. Now we're gonna process through setup through the Amazon Alexa app. Alright, you guys, now I'm going to show you how to download my Alexa app and complete the setup. So first, you gotta go to the App Store. Sorry, it's a bit laggy here because my phone is usually overheating from camera. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to search. Hold on, you guys. It's the lag. I'm experiencing a lag. I just don't know why. Alright, Alexa. Here you can write Alexa, search. Alright guys, hold on, it's loading. And download this. I already downloaded it from before, so I could just try and see if I can actually have that. But look here, you can also get voice commands for Alexa if you want, but for now, let's complete through setup and let's focus on it. But so right now, downloading is pending, so I'm gonna show you guys once it's gonna finish downloading. Okay, you guys, I finished downloading Alexa, but first, let's look at the preview. It's for iPhone and iPad. Talk to Alexa on the go. Add and manage your Echo devices. Play music. Connect your friends. Connect your smart home devices. Blah, 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 blah. Here you guys can see. Alright, now let's open the Amazon Alexa app. And so, right now, here's the Alexa app. It's loading for a while, you guys. You just have to wait. Allow. So I can connect parallelly to Alexa and my phone at the same time. Oh, wait. I have to sign into my Amazon account, but I don't think I have one, so I'm going to create an account. So, you're right, you guys. After I sign in, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up. Because I cannot just show you how I sign in my account, because it's personal. I don't want you guys to hack it. Alright, you guys. We are finally signed in to Alexa. I already created a new account because my old account from Amazon, I cannot attempt to sign in. So welcome to Alexa. Agree and continue. First things first, Alexa is designed to protect your privacy. Actually, agree and continue. Alright, you guys, allow notifications. Do you want to set up a device now? I already have an Amazon Echo now, so yes. Searching for devices. Make sure your device is nearby and plugged in. Wait, how am I supposed to turn it on? Oh, wait. Okay. So I have an Echo Dot, so I'm going to press Echo, Echo Dot, Echo More. Is your Echo plugged in and displaying an orange light? Actually, it's a no, so I'm going to press... No, wait. Oh, yes, guys. I forgot to turn that thing on. Oh! Yes, it's on, it's on. It's on, chat. I can see the blue color. I cannot show it to you guys, sorry, because right now we're in the setup process. Wait, hold on. Wait. Hold on, you guys. Okay, I don't see an orange light, so I'm gonna try to... Okay, I'm gonna try to press the...
Ready for setup. Please download the Alexa app. Bereit für die Einrichtung. Bitte laden Sie die Alexa-App herunter.
L'appareil est prêt à être configuré. Installez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Pronto per la configurazione. Per continuare, scarica l'app Alexa. Listo para la configuración. Por favor, descarga la app Alexa.
Hello. To continue, download
Yes.
the Alexa app.
Yes.
Hallo.
Wait.
Laden Sie die Alexa-App herunter, fortzufahren.
Bonjour. Pour commencer, téléchargez l'application Alexa.
Actually, you know what, guys?
Per continuare, scarica l'app Alexa. Hola. Para continuar, descarga la app
I wish
Alexa.
Alexa could speak Arabic. Oh, wait. I don't have an Alexa. Hold on. Let's try to add again. Amazon Echo. Okay, Echo Dot. Blah, blah, blah. Yes. Okay, I can see the orange. Echo 167! 167! Echo 167! No, this is the right pick for... Okay. Okay, Wi-Fi network. I don't know if I have good signal. Okay, let's try. Actually, you know what? I cannot enter your password. I cannot show you guys. Alright, you guys. I finally connecting to Wi-Fi. I didn't show you guys the password because it's personal. I cannot show it to anyone because it's private. Connecting to Wi-Fi chat. Alright, I hope it's a good signal because my room usually has a mid signal. It's good and bad at the same time. I have a router near it. It is like a plugged router that has like plug inside. Yeah, baby!
Your device is ready.
Okay. Oh, why? Okay. Enter new address. Hold on. What's wrong with this thing? Oh, wait. It's working. Alright, guys. It's gonna take a while. Alright, you guys. My Echo Dot is finally aligned. Hold on, you guys. Here it is. Here you can change the volume or connect a device or anything. But I don't know if it's bearable on my any TVs or anything. But I can try to add any device. Oh, I found TCL, you guys. Alright. Alright, guys. I'll try to connect my TCL TV to Alexa. So, right now... Alexa, no, you know what? I don't need anything. I'm just making a video on my YouTube.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Actually, Alexa, stop. Wow. She thought I was clearly telling her. Alright. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to my Google TV home. Alright. I turned on my device on my TCL TV. Okay. I'm gonna go to next because it said, oh, TCL assistant. What? Geographical restrictions? Hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Let me try to download TCL Assistant because this one... Oh, wait. Okay, hold on. TCL Assistant. Okay. I searched on the apps. Hold on. Yep, I know there is Yep, I knew it. There is no results in there. Oh, now I cannot tell Alexa to turn on TV or anything. Sorry, you guys, but hold on. Let me try to connect to my speaker. I'm gonna... Guys, since I have Sony... Oh, wait. Oh, hell no. I don't see... Hold on. Bro, guys. Wait. Yeah, cancel. Oh, wait. Yes, guys. This is my TV, though. Actually, you know what?
Your device wasn't paired.
I was gonna connect my TV so it's kind of like put speaker in it. My device was impaired, chat. Alright. I don't think I can add my TV, but let's try adding my... Wait. Alright, guys. Let's try adding my speakers. My speaker. Okay, hold on. Let's search Sony. Whoops, I don't find Sony speakers. Okay, device. Alright. You know what? Since there's no Sony, let's put other. Wait. Look for one of these. Okay, you guys. I'll try to... Okay, you know what, guys? Alright, let's try to add the TV one more time. Hold on, let's try this. Actually, you know what, guys? Let's not do it in the video. We're gonna do this later so I can actually know how do I actually, you know, add any devices. Oh, wait. I have a game console. Okay, let's try PlayStation. Oh, wait. Alright, you guys, I do have a PlayStation, but I don't know if I can actually pair it, but we're gonna try that later before I can start my Sunday fun day. Oh, wait, smartwatch? Actually, you know what? Cancel. Okay, let's try again. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, actually, you know what? Let's do set up on all devices later, so, you know, Alexa can, like, respond. Alright, now let's do the things to try on these papers so I can actually use Alexa for this. So, let's get into Alexa. Alright, you guys, we're gonna try asking Alexa for these things to try. Let's start with music and radio. Alright, Alexa, play music for cooking. Okay. Wait. Alright, let's try.
Here's Angami.
Okay. Wait. Alexa, stop. Alright, let's try asking. Alexa, play music for cooking.
Playing cooking music from Angami.
You see, guys? It's playing music. Alright, now let's do this. Alexa, what song is this? What song is this? Alexa, what song is this? Alexa, stop. Stop. Alright, let's try this again. Alexa, what song is this? Oh wait, it's muted? Alexa, what song is this?
This is Don't Start Now by Dua Lipa.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Alright, now let's try Alexa play pop from the 90s. Alexa, play pop from the 90s.
Playing decades music from Angami.
Okay, nice. Alright. Alexa, play the station Jazz FM on Tulin. Alright, let's try Spotify. Alexa, play the Brazilian funk radio on Spotify.
To listen to Spotify, enable the skill and link your account. I've sent the details to your Alexa app.
Okay, it got me a notification. Alright, let's try. Alexa, play the station Jazz FM on TuneIn.
Jazz FM from TuneIn.
Welcome to TuneIn.
Okay, alright, now we're gonna try Smart Home, but since we didn't pair anything, we're not gonna try Smart Home. We're gonna try it later. Alright, now let's try questions and answers. Alright, Alexa, what can I say?
Okay, before I can continue, please set a location for your Amazon account on Amazon.com under the Preferences tab of your content and devices.
Okay.
This device received an important update and will restart. It'll be ready again shortly.
What? Alexa, what do you mean? Okay, I think she wants to update. Okay. Alexa. Alright, it's updating. Chat, what's wrong with Alexa? Alright, let's try that again. Alexa! It's updating. Alright, you guys, we'll be back. Alright, you guys. I tried asking her, and look what it did. It just resetted the setup, so I had to set it up all again, then she updated. I just don't know why. Alright, let's try that again. Alright, hold on. I'm just gonna show you. Oh, there we go. Alexa, what can I say? Alexa, what can I say? Hello? You there? Guys.
Before I can continue, please set a location for your Amazon account on Amazon.com.
Alexa, stop. Okay, let's try asking that loud. Alexa! Alexa! What can I say? Okay. Alright, let's try that again. Hold on. Alright, let's say the line. Alexa! Oh.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now. Please try a little later.
I just slammed my head through the camera, you guys. Alright, let's try this one more time. If it doesn't work, then I'm just gonna ask Sultani. Alexa!
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now. Please try a little later.
Wow. Alright, let's try that one more time. If this... Alright, hold on. Okay, boom. Okay. Alexa! What can I say?
Okay, before I can continue, please set a location for your Amazon account on Amazon.com under the Preferences tab of your content and devices.
Okay. Alright, let's try Alexa. Alright. Alexa! Who was the first man on the moon?
Apollo 11, the first manned mission to land on the moon, landed on July 20th, 1969. During this mission, American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became, respectively, the first two men to walk on the moon. The last manned mission departed the moon in 1972.
Wow. Okay, she is smart. Like, smarter than Siri. Alright. Alexa, when is sunset?
Sorry, I can't find the answer for your location right now, but sunset in Riyadh will be at 5:39 p.m. today.
Ooh.
Ask me for sunset times in other locations.
Okay, but we're not talking about Riyadh. Let's gonna talk about in Al Khobar. Alexa, when is sunset in Al Khobar?
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
Okay, I'll send my location later. Anyways, let's try Alexa. Why is the sky blue? Alexa, why is the sky blue?
If I answer your question, could you take me out to see the sky sometime? The sky is blue because blue scatters more than other colors, making it more visible.
See that, guys? All right, now let's try timers, alarms, and calendars. All right, but you know what? Let's skip it because I cannot set the timers right now, but we could try these later. Let's put this here. All right, so right now that's the end of the video. Please be sure to like and subscribe and put down in the comments below. And I think, well, wait, first let's ask Alexa some 3 more questions first, but all right, hold on. Let's see if she can order any product from Amazon first, like that. Hey Alexa, order any products named PlayStation 5 on Amazon.
The top result is PlayStation 5 Digital Edition 825 gigabytes, Fortnite Flower and Chaos Bundle. It's $399, with delivery by Friday, February 6th.
How much is it in Saudi Arabia? Okay, you know what? All right, now let's try 2 more searches. Like, oh yes, Al Hilal, over there, Al Hilal. Hey Alexa, what is the next match of Al Hilal?
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Hey Alexa, do you know Al Hilal?
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Okay, let's try again. Hey Alexa, do you know the Saudi Pro League? Do you know the Saudi Pro League?
Sure how to help you with that.
Hey Siri. Alexa, do you know the Saudi Pro League? Actually, you guys, let's not tell her that. Okay, alright, now I think I have one more question left to ask. Okay, let's try asking her about what is the FIFA World Cup. Alright, let's try. Hey Alexa, what is the FIFA World Cup?
According to Wikipedia, the FIFA World Cup, often called the World Cup, is an international association football competition among the senior men's national teams of the members of the Fédération Internationale de Football Association, the sport's global governing body.
Alright, you guys. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe down in the comments below. I don't know why that thing. She doesn't know what is Al Hilal or how can he help her with that. But let's just try these later since I just got this. This is actually new, so that's why she couldn't help with these. Alright, so thanks for watching, chat. Like, subscribe down in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey Alexa, would you like to say bye to the viewers? Oh wait.
I'm not quite sure how to help you.
Alright, guys. Alright, before I end the video, hey Alexa, can you say like and subscribe?
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Okay, I don't think she could say these. Alright, so I guess that's the end of the video, guys. Bye!